Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. We will get started in 5 minutes. You guys can just chat amongst yourself. I'll be with you guys in 5 minutes. Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing? Happy Monday. I'm going to go through Twitter as normal, and then I will go through all the other requests on YouTube. So just bear with me. NIVF. There is nothing on NIVF. Nothing. Nothing until 1.88. Nothing until 1.88. So you have to wait. You have to wait for 1.88. Do not enter now. Do not. Stay away. Just relax. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Let's get rich. That's right. Let's get rich. Peggy's looking perfect. Looking good for entries here. If anyone wants to take some entries, is a free trade. Whoever wants some money. This is a very nice trade. Very nice trade here on this, Peggy. Pretty much we do the same thing every time, right? This is a standard setup that we always see. So that's what I think is a good watch now. If you want to enter this trade, it's worth it. Good morning, good morning. Buru just runs with the meme stocks. The meme stocks are going to run. They're just going to follow game. I don't know what's going on with that. Well, I've seen the whole Roaring Kitty thing, but I'm not really too interested in it. I don't care. I focus on technicals. So if there's a technical setup on them, then yes, I'll take the trades. But other than that, nothing. Buru, nothing. Absolutely nothing. No volume. Buru just has a steady trend. Just has a steady uptrend. That's all I can tell you. Ever heard of game? Nope. What is game? What is game? Let me see what else there is. Anything on this? Oh, let me have a look. YGMZ, nothing on this there, I think. Yeah, YGMZ, nothing until downtrend break. So if the downtrend breaks on this, you can look for entries. Do not try and enter now because you will be gambling. Right, let's see. NVOS. NVOS is right here. Looks great. Gave it to you guys here. It pushed up. I think it ran quite a bit. I sold just over $1. As soon as it hit 102 was when I sold. It ran like 20%. So right now, breaking out. It's got room to 120. This ran crazy on Friday, so let's see what it can do now. 130%, and now it's up only 2%. So we'll see. Stay level-headed. That's correct. Stay level-headed. Be smart. No one should be holding on for these game stops and that. You guys are going to lose that way. Remember, what goes up must come down. Yes, they're running now. Yes, they might continue, but we don't know. We do not know. If you know, then fair enough, but 99.99 of us do not know what's going to happen. BPTH. BPTH, I'm personally just waiting for 360 break. If this can break above 360, then I would look for entries on this. But other than that, I'm not really interested. Break above 360, you need a candle closure above. If you can get a closure above like that, not like this, that is not a closure above. A closure above, high probability, it will go up. You want to take a trade that will go up, then wait for that. Do not try and get it now. Just chill out, relax, calma. Kraken, waiting for downtrend break. Correct, yes. You could try and take entries here. It's in a demand zone if you want to, but I personally think it just needs to get above 0.13 into open. Still just holding on to that level though. BNAI. BNAI is a larger time frame setup, so I would wait for the downtrend break. Yeah, it just needs a downtrend. I personally would wait for $5 break. Breaks above, closes above $5, then you can look for an entry. Don't try and enter now, not worth it. Everyone asks me about SLNA every single day. Every single day. This is the chart. It has not changed for about 25 years. Save it, please. All you need to do is wait for the downtrend to break. That is it. It's been like this for ages, guys. It's the same thing over and over and over again. Save it so we don't have to go over it every day. VHAI, same thing. Nothing has changed on this at all. It's in the demand zone. This is a good entry buy if you want to take it. I'm not touching it. Not enough volume. The end. Save the chart as well, please, guys. Save it. CPOP. What is happening with CPOP? CPOP, right, is right now absolutely getting drilled. That is no good. No bueno. No. If you are trying to enter CPOP, you have to wait for the resistance to break. Resistance is around here. So break above 160, maybe you can consider something. But there are hundreds of other better plays than this one, in my opinion. I don't know if there's a catalyst coming up, but at the moment, maybe it's just ranging for the break to the upside. But if you want to wait for confirmation, wait for 160 break above. Above 160 is your entry point on CPOP. So just wait. So CPOP, just wait for 160 break. So CPOP is here. So CPOP, wait for break above 160. You guys will see, I'll say it a lot of times, wait for downtrend break, wait for this and wait for that, because if you wait for those levels, that gives you confirmation that is a high probability it will go up. Trying to enter within a zone where there is nothing going on is a very, very high risk setup. CYCC. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's see. Everybody, we have 22 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 50, 60. Let's go. Push it. CYCC, absolutely nothing on this. I do not like this chart. If I was to consider anything, maybe 325. Nothing on this at the moment. I don't know what's going on. Higher risk entries above 285. Break above 285. You could look for entries right now. Nothing on it, unfortunately. AGBA. AGBA is just pretty much pushing up. Same thing as normal. It needs 350. Then it has room all the way to $4 $3.50 to $4 is your next level. So it needs to break $3.50 to hit $4. Hollow, expecting this to go. Expecting this to run. I am expecting this to run. It's just been holding this steady demand zone. You need 175 to clear. 175 is your entry level. Break above 175, then you can enter the trade. 1.75. This yellow line. There you go. If it breaks above 175, you can look for an entry here like that. Hollow, you can wait for 175. Hollow, wait for 175, break above. So you know now, all you need to do is set an alert for 175. If it breaks above that, you can look for your entries. TSBX daily chart. I don't know what you're looking at. There is nothing here. Look, it is ranging. Nothing on this unless it breaks above 485. So you still have a long way on that one. Nothing on TCBX. Play the high volume plays, guys. Just literally use this website free of charge. Add them to your watch list. When market opens, look for the trade setups. These are the ones that have high probability of moving. If you look on the left, all of these tickers here are the top gainers, the ones that have high probability to run. These do not mean buy now. It does not mean anything like that. It just means they are setups that are possible to enter when market opens. Lucy is here. Lucy, there's nothing on Lucy at the moment. I would wait for $1 break on Lucy to enter the trade. Nothing on now. Every time it gets to $1, rejection, 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 rejection. Close above $1. Higher probability to go up. How long would you hold Peggy? Guys, everyone save this. Put it on your forehead. Whatever you need to do. Get it tattooed. I never, ever, times a billion hold for targets. I don't care about targets. Targets are bullshit. Nothing. Do not hold for targets ever in your life. You will lose in trading. Play and trade realistic. When you enter a trade, look for a percentage. I look for a realistic percentage, which is 5%. That means whatever my entry is, whatever I buy Peggy at, whatever I buy FFI at, whatever I buy Game, Hollow, whatever stock I buy it at, my first target is 5%, not 100%, not $6, $7. I look for 5%. That is it. Nothing else. Remember that. Stop holding for targets, guys. You will lose. Trust me. Kraken, FFIE all run together. Kraken, yeah, Kraken's pushing up now. Looks good. Where's VWAP? Yeah, closure above VWAP. This green line here, high probability to go up, but it looks very good. I'm assuming FFIE is moving as well. Yes, it is. So FFIE and Kraken move together. Everyone should know that by now. You're the man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. Verb, I didn't like this one. It's a pump and dump in my opinion. If you are trying to consider anything above 0.18, nothing else. 0.18 is your entry point. That means if it closes above 0.18, you can enter the trade. Nothing else. Do not try and buy now or gamble because you will lose. ASTI, larger time frame. This is a clean setup expected to break out. How high? I don't know. 5% would be your entry or would be your target from where your entry is. Right, TUP, the ugliest chart on the stock market. It just runs with GameStop and all the other memes. You have room to this level here. 256 is your next resistance level, right? At the moment, your high is 220, meaning if a candle closes above 220, there is a high probability it will go to 256. That is all it means. That's all it means, guys. Let's go, Drew. Like up the video, guys. 50 likes. Come on, we can get double it easily. KTRA. The KTRA clan is here. The KTRA clan is here. Breaking the downtrend right now. Looking good. Volume is there. 0.4 is your next resistance level. If you can close above this level, 0.32. If it closes like this on the 1 hour, so you still have time, you still have 15 minutes. If it closes like this, there is a high probability it will continue to go up. You have to wait for the 1 hour to close. You have to wait. Which time frame do you confirm VWAP? I trade on the 5-minute chart. It's not the best time frame. There are millions of time frames you can trade on. For me, 5 minute works best for day trading. Astra Labs. You can give me the ticker name. That would be a lot easier, but I will type it in. A-Lab, I'm not too sure, nothing on this. Just to make it easy for you, downtrend, break above, $70, maybe you can consider something, but nothing else. Nothing else on that. Verb garbage, that's correct. Which scanner do you use? I do not use any scanner. I do not use any scanner, screener, none of that stuff. I literally use this website. It's free of charge. It is called Webull Top Gainers. You can use the vesting top gainers. There's all different websites. They're all the same thing. It just updates the top gainers, meaning the stocks that are the highest percentage up in pre-market. They are usually up because of earnings, because of mergers, because of news, catalysts, whatever it is. They are up because of that. All I do is every single morning from pre-market open, 4 hours ago, I add them all to my watch list like I've been doing here. So I'll keep adding them until open. There's going to be more. Once they're all there, once market opens, maybe only about 10 of these out of the 30 will hold. And then I'll just look for my entries. That's it. Very easy. Every single day, do the same thing over and over and over again. SCPX. SCPX. Yeah, very nice candle here, but it's pulling back now. Needs to hold literally this level here, 0.13, 0.13. What percent of volume on a stock do you look for? I just focus on the top gainers, bro. That is all I do. If it's in the top gainers, you know that it has high volume. That is just something that will keep it easy for you. And obviously they are above average volume of the stock. So that's just an easy way to do it. You don't have to get too technical about it. And the way to look at volume is simply just use the volume indicator, which is here. If you want to look at that, or you can simply just, by practicing, is looking at the candles. You can see these kind of candles here have low volume. Larger candles have high volume. It's that simple. Do you use 5 minute for entry? Yes, I do. I use 5 minute. Yes. Whatever I enter at, I enter on the 5 minute, and then whatever my 5% first target is from there. That is all I do every single time. I do not change the 1 minute, 30 second, 2 second chart to change anything. I use the 5 minute chart to enter my trade, and whatever I enter at, if I enter $2, my first target is 5% from that. That is it. Every time. Every time. ADRT down 30%. Nothing on this. Avoid it. Stay far, far, far away. BPTH went. Yes. This was your entry candle right here. Remember what I said? Candle closure above 260 is entries. So if anybody did get in that trade at 260 to here, you made a nice little 7%. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thanks, Ian, bro. Appreciate it for that one. But yeah, that was it. That's how you trade that on BPTH. So that was a perfect one. But other than that, let me just have a look. Let me go through some Twitter stuff. See what else other people are asking about. KTRA, yeah, I've gone through KTRA. MBOT, I've done MBOT. I bet you this play is going to run. When people start spamming charts at me, these kind of charts especially, right? All I do expect is this to probably run. It's very simple. This one is up 18%, okay? Look, it's broken the downtrend right now. It's pretty choppy chart. I'm not really a fan of it, but your next resistance level where it's already hit around is 135. So for continuation to go up to the upside, you need to hold above, right? You need to close the candle right now. This candle needs to close above like that. Right now it's below, right? As you can see here. Closure above, high probability to go up. You can have it on your watch list here. On MBOT. Wow, TCB is going to 550. 550. Good luck, Justin, bro. Yeah, BBTH insane, huh? Let me see. Next levels. I just use the 4 hour now, so I'll see what the next levels are. So all I do is now is I look left and I mark the level. So we have, this is a huge level here. 405 is a big level on BPTH. Break above that. Then you have room to these levels here, around here. What is this? Literally 460. So these are your levels here, because there's support here, rejection. Here was rejection as well. So that is why we have this. These are your levels. But this is very bullish. High probability this will get to 405. And then if this breaks 405, it's going to push to at least 430, 440. That's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. What size position do you like to go in? Pre-market, I trade with 10% of my account per trade. Intraday, no more than 25% of my account per trade. So if I have $1,000 as my account size, I trade with $100. If I have $1,000 account when market opens, I just use maximum $250 per trade. That's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. Right, let me have a look here. Kraken broke downtrend. Kraken. Where's FFIE? So FFIE is they're gonna follow each other at the moment. So for me, what I'm waiting for in FFIE is this one's leads the way. It's pretty much the leader. Then Kraken follows this. So whatever this does, Kraken will follow. So for now, I don't like a stock, right, when it's so close to this level here, right, to the resistance, and it's so close to demand zone. Rather enter here at demand zone, or rather enter if it breaks above this level. Try and enter this no man's land here is very difficult, right? So just simply wait for it to come down here for entries or break above this to enter. That's what I would do. Same with Kraken. This was your entry level here. This was your entry right here. Kraken was your entry, was here. This candle was your entry. Now you can look for 5%. That is how you do it. Here, that would be your target around here. And then your stop loss, you can have, say, maximum. Let's say below this candle here. What is this? Below here. This would be a stop loss. That's how you trade. That's how you can trade Kraken. So you enter now. This is your stop loss. That's your first target. That is how you can trade it. SCPX, nothing on SCPX. Very simple though. All you need to do is identify what's going on. The trend is bearish. If it breaks and closes above, if the candle does this, closes above this line, entry. If it doesn't, it does that, no entry. Right. MNTS, I like this on a larger time frame setup. It is expected to break out due to a bullish pennant. Bullish pennant is a bullish continuation pennant. Chart. SLNA in demand zone. In demand zone. Also guys, if you just on Twitter, if you guys ask for the same charts, I just like your stuff. So it just saves me time. Just go through my page, you'll see it. I've posted it probably. Do you look for gaps? There's many gaps in the 1 minute chart. No, I do not use the 1 minute chart. Using the 1 minute chart is extremely high risk. Nowhere near enough confirmation, especially trading these plays. If you're looking for gaps, you should be using a daily, at least the daily chart. I don't trade on gaps. Hassie uses that strategy, but for me, no, I do not use gaps, but it does have potentials to run. Using a 1 minute gap is nowhere near good enough. It's nowhere near enough confirmation. ASTI, what's the question about ASTI? ASTI, it is expected to break out, meaning the price to go up, not down. Have a stop loss. NIVF, yeah, nothing on NIVF. Hollow, 175 is your entry. If it closes above 175, then you can enter hollow. Nothing now. Maybe you can say it's a bullish pennant if you want to, but for me, 175 is what you should wait for. That is your confirmation. That is your confirmation. That is your confirmation, like that. So hopefully it pushes up to the side. NUKK. SLNA is not going to be requested, unfortunately, due to spamming. If you spam a chart, I will ignore you. I am not a robot. I can see I have 2 eyes. NUKK, nothing on this, low volume at the moment. If you try and enter, I would wait for this level. 0.89. Breaks above 0.89, maybe you can consider some entries. But nothing for now, guys, on this one. 61 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 80, 90. Get the likes up. Also, subscribe if you haven't. And then watch the day trade playlist that we've done. The day trade playlist that we've done. Well, Hassie's done. It is very, very good. A lot of great feedback on it. So I recommend you guys watch it. If you want me to, well, I will do it because I know most people are a little bit lazy. Just a little bit lazy. So I will just tag the first video so you guys can watch it. Which is right here, right? So this is your video to watch here. So there, that's it. Wow, Brian HKD's going. Let me have a look at this. 1 second, guys. Hello, sorry. Someone just called me. HKD 3%. Yeah, this thing has potential to run. I mean, this runs with memes, so huge resistance here though. You see this level? This 457, big resistance here. I mean, if you want to, you can use this resistance for now. Like 425 break. Close above 425 break, this will run. But it's gonna just be dependent on what's happening with the rest of the meme stocks. Here you go. So HKD 425 break, this will run hard because it needs volume to break this as well. 425 break on HKD will run hard. So that's what I would mean. With this, you just needed to close above 425. Do you ever add to lose trade? No, I don't. I'm a day trader. I give some swing trade setups, but I never do. I go in with the trading plan every single time. I know how much I'm going to win, how much I'm going to lose. It just helps me with being consistent with my results, because why am I going to average down if I was already confident with the trade in the first place? So I have my 3% stop loss and my 5% first target. That's how I trade. Swin. Nothing on Swin. I don't like this kind of chart. Nothing for me on that. Azzy, I am going to just remove your comments, brother. I'm going to ignore. I'm not going to be charting SLNA, unfortunately. Keep spamming it, and yeah, I will not do it. Sorry. Hover, absolutely nothing on this. I don't know. This chart's not great looking at all. Yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. Right here. So yeah, nothing on this. Nothing. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Right. Let me see what else is moving. BPTH looks great. Looks great. Looks great. Looks great. I'm gonna remove this bullish pen. I'm not really interested in it. NIVF. MBOT. Yeah, nothing on MBOT. It's just that have that 135 level. SYTA. Ali, because you're spamming it, bro. You're spamming. You've literally spammed it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in one thing, and then you spammed it again and again. There's no need to spam it. I can see, bro. I can see the chart. I can see the tickers. I've got eyes to look, and I do it. Just be patient with me. There's 130 people in here. People are asking questions, so just be patient. All right? So I'll do it. Just be patient. Relax. Calm down. It's okay. Everything's fine, brother. SYTA is not bad. It's in like a support level here. You see this? So look here, demand zone. Right, so this is a very clean setup here. Maybe it's good possible entry. So I would just I would watch this. This is not a bad chart. I actually kind of like it. So yeah, break above this is expected to break out on SYTA. Expected to break out. So you could try and take entries here if you want to. Everyone loves game. Here is your game chart, guys. Game, these are your key levels here on game. Game key levels. That is your key levels on game. Azzy, here, bro. Save this, okay? Just save it. Just don't spam it, that's all. Just don't spam, that's all. Right now, the stock is bearish. There's no reason to be entering the trade. That's all I would say. If it closes above 0.01, then you can look for the entry, right? That's all you need to wait for. Break above the downtrend. Copy this chart. 4 hour, draw the downtrend. If it breaks above the downtrend, there's a high probability to go up. Right now, nothing on it. AMC is just going to follow what is going on with the rest of the memes. So right now, this is a resistance level. It's broken above it. This can be my prediction because I know everyone loves these kind of things. So this is my prediction on AMC. That means, right? This means what is happening is it's broken above it. It's pulled back down. You can see here. And now we expect it to go up. That is what I expect to happen on this play. All right. 1 second, guys. Right. This is my prediction on AMC. AMC prediction. CETX. CETX. I don't know. There's an area of support here, so. Right here. So yeah, nothing on CETX at the moment. Maybe you could try and look for a buy here. 0.32, but other than that, I would just personally wait for above. I don't know, it's a big range. Maybe if it starts to revert, pulls back here, starts to push to the upside from there, then maybe you consider something. Kraken above 0.13. Kraken. Yep. So if anyone did listen, as I explained, this was your entry here because it closed above. And then if you did enter there, you had a nice little 4%. Oh, well, there's the targets right there. Look, your target's 0.134. Stop loss is there. That is what it is. Yeah, FFI is just going to follow. They're going to follow each other. See? Same thing. Following each other. Same charts. Thank you. I entered SCT last week. Nice, bro. Yeah, keep it up. That's nice. It's a nice trade. It looks good. I actually kind of like it. I like it. Is GWAV unhalted? Let me have a look. Oh yeah, GWAV's, oh, the reverse split. $6. I'll just keep this on my watches. I'm not really interested in it, to be honest, but I will just keep it here just to watch it. Because I don't like playing halted plays like that. BB8 is a nice pre-market run in demand zone, the 325, 350. Ooh, let me have a look. BBTH. Yeah, BBTH was nice. What here? 3. Yes, correct. Yes, Fig, bro, you're right. FFI claim VWAP, yeah. What else is moving? NIVF, nothing. MBOT's moving. Room 2 should get to 135 now. You should easily get at least 10% of this. So yeah, worth entries if you want to. It's already running, but yeah, expect 135 easily. We'll come back and see it. Peggy's just here. It's just in this falling wedge. Looks good. Just holding that level. Holding. BNet, another meme. Yep. Barnes and Noble, right? Yeah. BNet. I mean, there's no clear demand zone. You can use this, I guess, if you want to. It's not really a demand zone, but for the sake of this example, we can use it. So here. Nothing unless 0.82. That's what I would wait for. Nothing unless 0.82. NIVF. Fallen asleep. NIVF. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Mullen. Come on, guys. We get to 100 likes. Let's see if we can do it. 100. Mullen, this is very nice chart. This just runs with the meme. So now you have 456 as your resistance level. Break above that, you have room to here. Literally 510. So keep that on watch. That is what you have for that. CISS. Let me have a look. Yes, this is the only link for the Discord right here. This is the only link. No WhatsApp, no Telegram, BS, messaging, text messages. This is all on the Discord. Sis, yeah, Sis is right here. This thing stopped me out. I took one trade on Friday and it stopped me out. It's moving up. That 190 was a huge level. That is the biggest level on it. You have 205 though. This is your next resistance. Like 205, you have clean range all the way up. Look at this. 205, you have range to here, like 246, and then literally all the way to 295. So if you can break, well not you, but if the stock can break above 205, you are going to push to the upside pretty hard. Due to clean range. There's nothing else in the way. It's got these wicks to fill. So sis 205 break should run hard because there's clean range to the left. That's the only reason why I'm saying it. So CISS, you can just keep this on your watch list if you want to. So I will as well. It's only at 1%, but it ran the other day. So we'll keep it on watch. Yeah, 9%. So maybe we'll see. All right, let me have a look at everyone's spamming KTRA. KTRA. Here's KTRA. KTRA is broken out here as I posted a little bit earlier. High probability to go to 0.40. KTRA here. Room 2.40 now. Right, so that should make sense for everyone. Okay, let me see. A couple more requests and then I'll be done. No problem, Jonathan. Lucy is here. Lucy's nothing until $1. Close above $1, then you can look for entries. SLNA, nothing on this. SLNA is an extremely long downtrend. Only look for entries if it breaks above. That's it. Nothing else. KITT, it's in demand zone. You could look for entries here possibly, but it's nothing my kind of style. It's extremely low volume. Not worth it in my opinion, but that is what I have. All right, so I'm going to go through my watches and then head into Discord. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. This is my prediction on BPTH. It's setting up perfectly, so you can see what will happen. This is my prediction for BPTH. So BPTH prediction, right? Sis needs a high level. What is that level? Yeah, 205, and then it can run. ELWS, not really interested in this anymore. Just keep it here, I guess. BNAI, nothing unless it breaks downtrend. It's down whatever percent. GWAV, not really interested either. FFIE and Kraken will follow each other. SCPX, wait for the downtrend break. MNTS is a larger time frame setup. NVOS, yeah, this one can run around 132% on Friday, so high probability to go up. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Members, live trading link will be sent out in like 10-15 minutes. I will see you guys in there. If you want to join, I've posted a link above. We are closing the Discord. There's going to be no more spaces available. I think we're going to close it by the end of the week. I'll speak to Hassie, but yeah, we're growing really fast, which is fantastic, but also we are trying to create a community that is going to trade very well together. We're just focusing more on a lot of education rather than just pump and dumps. We don't do pump and dumps. We focus on teaching people how to actually trade, not just post random tickers, give 100 alerts, none of that stuff. All right. So if you want to join, feel free to join. The link is there. Members, I'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. And I will continue to post charts on Twitter where I can, but my main focus is on the Discord. All right, guys, have a great day. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you guys in a bit. Thanks for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. And I will continue to post charts on Twitter where I can, but my main focus is on the Discord.